Watch this. Are you guys ready? You guys got me throne gifts. The first one through throne. It's from throne. Was on my throne. Which, you see how many times I said throne? That's how you know I'm serious about it. Ready? First, oh, the note. I got a note. There y'all go. I'm so done. Enjoy it. I can't read. Enjoy your gift from Throne Gifts. Okay, okay. You know how I do it over here. I always throw the bag behind me or to the side of me. It's in a box. Cute little box. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Look at it! It fits in the palm of my hand! Look, it's the Sailor Moon tune thing. Get clear for me. There we go. There we go. Sailor Moon tune box. Okay. Look at that. So cute. Yep. We're going around 360 style. 360. Here's the top of it. Wow. That's trash.
Nice.
Oh, I thought that was the trash one. Oh my gosh. I thought it was the trash one. It's a music box. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my nightstand over there. I'm gonna put this on my nightstand. I feel like this is so cute. Mari, you got me this. By the way, Mari did give me this. So shout out to Mari. Mari, thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate it. I really do. Okay, moving on. Moving on to the big boy. All right, ready? All right, I gotta pick this one up. Okay, so this one right here is pretty big. Pretty big one. So you guys can see it right here. We're gonna cut this one open. We're gonna knife it. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Okay. All right. What is the?
A few moments later.
We're gonna go in the middle. There's something in the middle of this. There's something in the middle. It's a sangria, but it's alcohol free. It's from Groovy. Okay. Let me focus that up. Look at that. Sangria non-alcoholic. Sparkling red wine. Groovy. Okay, okay. Whoa. What? Bubbly rosé. Hold on, what's the other one? Oh, no, okay, it's bubbly rosé. Both of the boxes in here are bubbly rosé. Oh, guys, the wrapping is getting me. The wrapping. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. What? Bubbly rosé alcohol-free wine. Bubbly rosé. That's pretty. It's so pretty. Huh. And he got me this one too. We gotta do a taste test. Got it. 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 Also got this can. Got it. I'm so done. You see the bubbles? Look at the bubbles. Those bubbles are sparkling. Anyways, taste test. This is bubbly rosé. It smells good though. It really does smell good. I like it. And it's alcohol free. I like it. But anyways, thank you for the throne gifts. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And you guys are not obligated to give me gifts, okay? But I appreciate it. If you do want to check out my wish list, you could click on the freaking up.